Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. I hope you all are good in health and happy. In today's video we are going to learn the letters and their sounds. Okay, let's start the video. This is letter A. A says A. This is letter B. B says B. This is letter C. C says K. This is letter D. D says D. This is letter E. E says A. This is letter F. F says F. This is letter G. G says G. This is letter H. H says H. This is letter I. I says E. This is letter J. J says J. This is letter K. K says K. This is letter L. L says L. This is letter M. M says M. This is letter N. N says N. This is letter O. O says O. This is letter P. P says P. This is letter Q. Q says Q. This is letter R. R says R. This is letter S. S says S. This is letter T. T says T. This is letter U. U says A. This is letter V. V says V. This is letter W. W says W. This is letter X. X says X. This is letter Y. Y says Y. This is letter Z. Z says Z. Hey children, I hope you like the video. Subscribe for more videos. See you in next video. Bye bye.